Had these shoes for quite a while and they're turning me to flip-flops now, and if I don't walk correctly, then they fold back like that. So I'm going to show a quick way to fix them, and they'll be good working shoes. So duct tape will work, but I find an electrical tape actually works better. So we'll just wrap around here, and that'll give us a little more life until we can find a more permanent solution. So shoes are dusty, but not a big deal. We'll just give it a few wraps around here. It's also important you do this while your foot is still in the shoe. Otherwise, you might make it too small and won't fit anymore, but this ensures it'll still fit. Patch this part up a little bit on the tip. So if you have this E6000, that'll be a little more permanent, but my shoes won't be dry and clean until the end of the day. So this will carry me on until I can get to a point that I'd be able to use this. It still won't be good as new, but I mean, they're work shoes. So now it won't flap anymore at all. This will take me to the rest of the day. It's a little safer, won't be tripping over it, and later I can do more permanent.